sitting and hoping and thinking and dreaming and trying to tell you the things I've been meaning to tell you. Well, you've got me hoping and praying that you'll never leave me. Instead, I'm trying, starting to grieve you, but I love you. I'll never go, but I know you have to. Please let me show how I care. I'll cradle you in my arms till I can't anymore. Then I'm gonna hold you in my heart. Friday you held my hand while we were walking. Saturday we started dreaming. Sunday we took me to church and we sang and we prayed. But Monday was dreary and my eyes were teary, and Tuesday showed hope